Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and an easy to follow tutorial on Pinterest. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to follow someone on Pinterest. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open Pinterest on your device and tap the search icon at the bottom. Here, type the name of the person you want to follow and tap Search. When the results are shown, tap the Profiles tab. Here, search for the person you want to follow and tap the Follow button at the right of their profile. You can also follow them by visiting their profile. So, tap the profile of the person you want to follow. And tap the Follow button here. There is one more way to follow someone on Pinterest. So, go to the home page and tap any image or video. Scroll down. And you can see a follow button here. Tap on it to follow the person. And that's how you follow someone on Pinterest. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.